Good morning, guys. Hopefully you had a good trading week. I know a lot of you made money with Microsoft stock, so congratulations. Also, I recommended Google a while back after the last hot inflation report because I said the big caps would continue to outperform right in this environment of higher interest rates for longer. It's still that same narrative. So the difference though now, obviously I was recommending, for example, Google, Amazon, right? These companies back when their share price was a lot lower. But you can play this momentum, but at some point, just know there's going to be a correction. We don't know when, of course, okay? But for right now, it's the big caps that are going to outperform the small caps while inflation has remained elevated, okay? It's not horrible, but we did see a GDP report that came in less than expected while inflation has remained hotter. So if we see slowing growth and inflation remains sticky, that's obviously not good, okay, for stocks. But for now, like I said, if you want to be safe, play the big cap names like Microsoft, okay, like Google. Even after the latest pop, I think Google can go higher. But I think the upside at this point is limited. I just want to point that out because remember, we've rallied, for example, with Google stock from 90 up until this level. We're talking about doubling. Amazon has already doubled, right? Microsoft has gone on a decent run, but it's not up as much as some of the others. So that's why I like that play a little bit more. So you have to be careful, guys. A lot of the market, a lot of these stocks have rallied very nicely, okay? And we don't know what's going to come in the future, right? With war or whatnot, okay? Anything, it's probably going to be something we have no idea that comes along that gets stocks to sell off. But for right now, you can ride the momentum upward, okay? But don't risk it too much with these small cap stocks because first off, they have to show their earnings report. I would wait to make sure. If some of these small cap AI companies, report great earnings, then you can definitely be in those, especially the profitable ones, okay? But remember, these unprofitable small cap companies out there are going to still struggle in this environment with higher interest rates for longer until we get the interest rate cut. But a lot of people think that we're in trouble if we don't get an interest rate cut, if it keeps pushing back. But remember, like I've been saying, we have a strong economy, strong jobs. This is a good setup, guys. We don't need an interest rate cut for stocks to do well. But like I said, the small caps do need an interest rate cut to really rally far, okay? Because those are the ones that rely on raising capital, as we know, we're at those higher interest rates. Whereas big caps, it doesn't matter to them because they have plenty of cash flow coming in, right? So that's why big caps are going to outperform here in the short run. So just remember that. But eventually, small caps will have their day in the sun. We're not there yet, though, guys. But have a good weekend.